impact, gusty winds could knock down trimmings and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Person County until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Roxboro, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and maple-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roxboro, Bethel Hill, Mayo Reservoir, and Searle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Person, North Carolina.